the way to CenCal Motorsport. We're actually getting some stuff installed on the F80. Super excited for that, man. The car's gonna look amazing. But yeah, back to vlogging every single day, bro. So I need to post a video today. It's like almost 3 p.m. right now. I need to post my video. I just got off of work 30 minutes ago, so I'm like on the go. My computer died and I forgot my charger at home, bro. So I'm trying to get this video up in a timely manner. I don't like posting videos too late. I feel like the earlier in the day, the better. So we gotta make a pit stop over at Best Buy, grab a charger, and then head to the boys over at CenCal Motorsport. The small things, oh my gosh, you just love when people merge in front of you. But yeah, the small things of just, I guess, daily vlogging I'm getting used to. A lot of you guys always ask me, how are you daily vlogging while working a 9 to 5? And to be honest, going into this, it was one of those things where I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull this off. I feel like all that like noise in your head about like doubting yourself and like, oh, like I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. I feel like that noise in your head like literally blocks what you're capable of. Like I never knew I would be able to daily vlog. Somehow, some way, I'm making it happen. I mean, it goes with anything in life. You make time for what you know, love to do. So it's crazy. I'm low-key proud of myself, you know. I never knew I'd be able to daily vlog while working a 9 to 5. So if you ever doubt yourself on something, it's most likely just noise in your head. It's blocking your full potential and what you're really capable of. Because I'm definitely surprising myself with filming, editing, and posting every single day on top of everything else that's going on. And that honestly can go with anything else in life, really, not just daily vlogging. $112 later, I got a charger just to post today and not tomorrow. That was an expensive mistake to leave my charger at home. All right, I'm about to crash out. This does not fit. This is the newer one. I have the old laptop. This is like from back in like 2016. It doesn't fit, bro. You have got to be kidding me. And I did not see any other options in there. See, if I miss an upload, it's just stuff like this. Yeah. I don't know. Bro, this is so annoying, man. I was so excited, bro. I don't want to miss 2 days out of this month. But I need a MagSafe 2 cable, and I bought a MagSafe 3. The 3 is like the newer version. No freaking luck, man. What an annoying way to just miss a day on Vlogsgiving. All right, well, let's go ahead to CenCal. Let's work on the M3. All right, y'all, we just pulled up to CenCal. I'm so excited, man. We're getting a new, I mean, you guys will see in a minute. We're getting a whole, pretty much a whole new lip kit. But pulling in the F80 to the shop. It's so weird, I never get to see my car being driven. And as you can see, I've been talking about this a lot on the rear end of the car. I feel like my car is just a little bit too naked in the rear. The diffuser's going on and also a rear spoiler. Not much going on in the rear, so these will definitely change that. I'm excited, bro. Damn, F80 looks crazy. Yeah, I'll show you guys what we went with, but all these mods are definitely gonna make a big difference on the F80. Got Bryce from CenCal over here. What are we doing to the F80 today, bro?
So we got some carbon fiber pieces, some much needed carbon. Mainly the stuff I'm most excited for is the stuff on the rear end. So PSM rear diffuser, 4 pieces. It's the most popular diffuser.
Yeah.
On the rear end, also PSM spoiler, matching the diffuser, same type of style. So I think that's gonna tie together that rear end very nicely. And then needs a fresh lip.
Yeah.
Something a little different, switch it up. So
yeah, I definitely wanted to change the style. The Lapier's cool, but I saw this one on their website and I was like,
it's just
yeah,
like, it's
simple.
I got a lot of people who run this. It's just, I don't know, F80, it's just, it's better to just do it clean, do it right.
Literally.
So, fresh front lip, it's the K-style front lip, but yeah, gonna throw some carbon on and transform this F80 a little bit.
Yes, sir. Bro, I'm like beating myself up how I missed 2 days already for Vlogsgiving, dude. It's so annoying. It's like a rookie mistake of leaving my charger at home. But that's enough talking about this, bro. I feel like I keep talking about this freaking missed upload. Got the F80 up on the lift. It's pretty straightforward, like putting diffusers on.
Yeah, watch this.
It's super easy, huh? I'm so new to like BMWs, dude. It's my first BMW, so it's like...
What are you normally into?
Like Subarus, like FRS,
Subies,
BRZs.
I had to get out of the Subies.
Why? What happened? You don't like them?
WRXs, bro. I went through 9 motors.
Damn, bro.
It's fucked up, huh?
Beating on them or what?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, so it just clips out. Oh, okay. The thing I'm worried about, bro, is the bottom piece, the under tray. That is what I'm worried. My car's obviously not that low, but I know I'm gonna lower it, and I'm concerned about this. We'll see. We'll see when we get to that point. Got chrome TEs too. That's sick. It's literally the same setup. Lapter lip, chrome TEs. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, that's literally the diffuser too. Same diffuser we're putting on the M3. Oh my gosh, bro. These blues remind me a lot of the STI wrap, bro. It's like literally my favorite blue ever. This fire, dude. What's the color on this?
It's actually a wrap, bro. It's China blue.
Oh, China. Oh, I love that color. Yeah, China blue. They got the matching TE stickers too. That's dope. Damn, this thing's fire. Yeah, this is literally how the diffuser is gonna look. Yeah, it definitely lowers the rear end a lot. I forgot to clip it, but they were mobbing down the street. These colors are so sick though, man. Love these blues so much. Bro, this looks crazy from this angle. It's like a little lower than the exhaust too. Damn, that's crazy. So this is the old setup, guys. I had the Lapter setup. Like I told you guys before, I didn't put the side pieces on, so I kind of just left it open. In my opinion, I feel like this looks the best without the side pieces. But this lip isn't even that like thrashed. The carbon right here got a little messed up, but overall, I'm just tired of this like look. I just want to try something new. That's why we're going with the K style. I'm excited for this one. This one's so simple. I feel like it'll just flow so well with my setup. Bro, I feel so bad for bro. I did not know you had to take the bumper off for this. I thought it was gonna be a simple like self-tap, dude. Like, no, like nah, no way. That's a wrap, bruh. Damn, this car looks so much different. Damn, that looks so good, bro. Heck yeah. Bro, that K-style looks so good, man. What you guys think? Let me know down below. You guys digging the new lip kit? Especially the rear end, bro. That spoiler is so aggressive too. I feel like it's just what the car needed, literally. Heck yeah.
I like it.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir. I think we got you dialed. How the diffusers like makes such a difference, bro.
Everybody runs it, but it's just the best one.
It is, no, it is. It's like copy paste, but like for a reason, bro.
You kind of like just like a must-have, literally.
It's so fire.
Dude, this car looks so good now. Dude, my allergies are so bad right now, so please bear with me, bro. But yeah, like I said, I never knew I needed the K-style lip so bad because, like, just check the car out, bro. I'll just do a little walk around. It's just such a clean, like, subtle lip. I love it so much, dude. It's actually way lower than the Lapter lip too. Bro, I've been low-key hitting this lip on like every freaking driveway. It actually sits really low, but dude, it looks so good. It's just clean and simple. Fitment is literally like perfect, bro. Fitment, spot on. We got the side skirts, these were already on. Car's fully kitted out. Now, especially for the rear end, bro. Before it was so naked, dude. Literally, it just looks so naked, but dude, check it out, man. It just looks like complete, literally. It's probably my favorite angle right here. Oh my gosh, the spoiler mixed with the diffuser. I feel like all that's left for the rear end is some taillights. Now I actually have some taillights at the shop, but so far so good, man. I just feel like The car looks complete. All right, but you guys are probably wondering, why do we have all the cars out tonight? You know, what's the move? We're actually taking a road trip. We're going to Arizona. All mobbing Arizona. I'm actually not gonna take the M3. I did ask you guys the last video which car I should take. I think we're gonna take the Vet. So I'm gonna drop this car off at the shop and go pick the Vet up. And we will be 5 hours on the way to Arizona. Literally, we're all mobbing there. I'm excited, bro. We're gonna kick it with the boys over at Low Glow. Probably review Austin's car, the N54 swapped GR86. And yeah, we're just gonna spend the weekend over in Arizona, have some fun. It's always such a good time in Arizona. The vibes, the scenery, and everything. This close to taking the M3, but I think we're gonna tune the Corvette with Flores tuning over in Arizona. But as much as I would love to bring the M3, I think this one's gonna stay back at home, sadly. The drive to Phoenix, Arizona starts now. Oh my gosh, here we are, San Diego, California. Got all the boys with me. Let's get it.
3 hours later.
I don't know where we are. I think we're in El Centro right now.
Is it?
Bro, we ran into a subscriber at this random In-N-Out. How you doing?
I watched you, man. What the
I appreciate it, bro.
Crazy.
That's so random.
Bro, it's random. I'm like, bro, I wasn't even gonna go out today, bro.
That's crazy. We're going to Arizona right now. We just wanted to get some In-N-Out, bro. Yeah, what's up?
He watches you too.
Oh, what's up, dude?
Dude, it's so crazy.
That's what's up, dude. This is random In-N-Out in El Centro. Got some subscribers. That's crazy. But they got a whole lineup, dude. This is sick. The In-N-Out runs come with us no matter where we are. It never stops, bro. Man. We got a whole like lineup going on. I think it's fire. Heck yeah. Look at this thing. A little Drift Z. Crazy. How's the drive for you guys? Chilling?
Chilling,
It's pretty good. It's pretty fun.
Chilling.
Straightforward? You won't freaking believe it. Literally, what? Bro, we're gonna go crazy, dude.
Iron it, frame it.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell this on eBay, bro. Wow. Dude, this is my first meal in like 12 hours.
Oh, make the sound effects.
Review El Centro In-N-Out.
It's actually really good.
Better than home?
All right, guys.
Slurp it.
First
Slurp
taste.
it.
On the knees.
Slurp it.
Let's find
You
out.
get 4x4?
3x3 today, bro. Being generous.
She's done a 3x3. Bro.
Hey, yo.
You're gripping that thing.
On the knees, too?
No lettuce, no tomato.
No lettuce?
Hold on.
Nothing?
No tomato, no onions.
That Krabby Patty ass.
Krabby Patty.
Krabby Patty.
Look how much. Look at this grilled onion
Got
work.
onions hanging
This shit
out.
don't even come out. Look at it. That's how you know.
Bro, slurp it. Slurp it. Make this is the cleanest food out there.
The El Centro In-N-Out.
Potatoes are good.
I might just be starving, but it's really good.
Bro, why you got such
9.7 out of 10. We got food and then a freaking car meat, literally. We're finally in Arizona, but the beginning of Arizona. So we still got like almost 3 hours left. Bro, I look so beat right now. My allergies are killing me. If anybody has a natural remedy, dude, help. Like, I literally tried every single freaking allergy medicine in stores and they don't freaking work. I do take Zysol though, but it only works like if I take it a day before, like kind of like preventative. So it's like the night before type thing, but like I don't know any fixes for like, you know, when you have allergies like right there and then you take something, like nothing works. But this is a lineup. Kind of wish I brought the M3, man. Like this thing is so sick, but it just looks stock. But we got Kinsu, his BRZ, you guys have seen it before. Got the Street Hunter front end. I miss my FRS, bro. We gotta get back into this chassis again. His car's fire. Full carbon front end. Got the Brembos, RPF ones. That's actually a what the heck is he doing? Where are you going?
Well, for a picture.
Ah, okay. Low key RPF ones would be pretty fire.
Bro, you
on
got
the
flamed
vet.
on the last video for the RPF ones.
Wait, what? I got flamed?
I don't know. I think we were talking about RPF ones.
Yeah.
Like, bro was talking about basic, and then look at the comments.
Oh, okay. I didn't see it. Jin brought the C7 at the vets mobbing. It's crazy how different our reds are. Mine's like a dark red, obviously, and his is more of a true Corvette red. Hear me out, guys. I thought about it this weekend. I thought about taking the wrap off. I thought about it. Maybe. Might be the move this weekend, taking off the wrap. Yeah, lineup goes crazy. Got Elias' Supra. Bro, I got everybody on this road trip, bro. That's crazy. Bro, we're mobbing, bro. 4 cars deep. 5 hour drive. Bro, I wanted to bring the M3 so we could be twinning. I thought that'd be so sick. Literally both satin black. Chrome, triple chrome wheels. Yeah, this car's so fire. Clear tails. Such a sick combo. We got like the colorful ones over here and then just boom. Freaking satin black.
2 hours later.
Almost there, man. We got like 1 hour left. Yeah, I'm tired, bro. It's like, I think like 3 in the morning right now. Tired, bro. But we're getting there. Gas station looks crazy, all this construction, but Corvette sounds amazing as always. Yeah, believe it or not, this is what the valves closed. The valves are closed right now, and it still sounds like that. Crazy. Well, we made it, guys. It's 5 a.m. We're supposed to get here at midnight. And here it's 5 a.m. I don't know how this took so long. But, dude, they only had a king-size bed. They only had a king-size bed available and a couch. We got 3 dudes. He's gonna go get some sheets from the front desk. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna tune the Corvette, put on the dyno. I don't know how I'm gonna post a video tomorrow and sleep and go tune the vet because it's literally already 5 a.m. But yeah, we made it to Arizona finally. That drive literally felt like hella long. I don't know why, it just took so long. It felt like 8 hours.
I don't know why.
We kept stopping. We literally kept stopping places. How are we gonna sleep, bro? Hey, at least it's a king size. Bro, all 3 of us can fit on here.
I told Keswick, bro, line it up.
I told him he should go in the middle. Bro, there's plenty of space, bro.
You can't do that.
Bro got a whole bed sheet. Bro, he was literally gonna sleep in that chair. I was like, what are you doing, bro? Hey, show him how you...
Hey, don't worry about that.
Hey, show him how you were gonna sleep in the chair. We check in the room, and he's like, this is how I'm gonna sleep. Bro, ain't no way, dude.
Only.
He said he's used to it. He's in the Navy, so...
Hey,
bruh.
in the military.
Hey, you can fall asleep anywhere, huh? Nah, you're straight. Bro, that looks more comfortable than the bed.
That's what I'm saying.
Hella, huh?
It looks more comfy.
It looks hella soft.